Heavily, meaning to a great degree, with a lot of weight or force. Synonyms: intensely, severely, profoundly. Sentence: it rained heavily throughout the night, causing floods in several areas. Flexible, meaning capable of bending easily without breaking. Adaptable. Synonyms: pliable, adaptable, adjustable. Sentence: she has a flexible schedule that allows her to attend meetings at any time. Boil, meaning to reach or cause to reach the temperature at which a liquid bubbles and turns to vapor. Synonyms: simmer, bubble, cook. Sentence: please boil the water before making the tea. Tool, meaning a device or implement, especially one held in the hand, used to carry out a particular function. Synonyms: instrument, device, implement. Sentence: a hammer is an essential tool for any carpenter. Initial, meaning existing or occurring at the beginning. Synonyms: first, primary, original. Sentence: her initial reaction to the news was one of surprise. Luxury, meaning the state of great comfort and extravagant living. Synonyms: opulence, extravagance, comfort. Sentence: they enjoyed the luxury of a five-star hotel during their vacation. Retired, meaning having left one's job and ceased to work. Synonyms: pensioned off, inactive, elderly. Sentence: after 40 years of service, he is now happily retired and spends his days gardening. Him, meaning used as the object of a verb or preposition to refer to a male person or animal previously mentioned. Synonyms: this man, this guy, the male. Sentence: she gave him a book as a birthday present. Immigrant, meaning a person who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. Synonyms: newcomer, migrant, settler. Sentence: the city has a large population of immigrants from various countries. Waste, meaning use or expend carelessly, extravagantly, or to no purpose. Synonyms: squander, misuse, dissipate. Sentence: it's important not to waste food when so many people are hungry. Journalism, meaning the activity or profession of writing for newspapers, magazines, or news websites, or preparing news to be broadcast. Synonyms: reporting, news writing, media. Sentence: she decided to pursue a career in journalism because she loves writing and uncovering stories. Eight, meaning the number equivalent to the product of 2 and 4, 1 more than 7, or 2 less than 10. Synonyms: date, octet. Sentence: she bought 8 apples from the market. Waiter, meaning a man whose job is to serve customers at their tables in a restaurant. Synonyms: server, attendant, steward. Sentence: the waiter took our orders with a friendly smile. Vitamin, meaning any of a group of organic compounds that are essential for normal growth and nutrition and are required in small quantities in the diet because they cannot be synthesized by the body. Synonyms: supplement, nutrient, health product. Sentence: she takes a daily vitamin to ensure she gets enough nutrients. Confirm, meaning establish the truth or correctness of something previously believed, suspected, or feared to be the case. Synonyms: verify, validate, corroborate. Sentence: please confirm your attendance at the meeting by replying to this email. Cut, meaning make an opening, incision, or wound in something with a sharp-edged tool or object. Synonyms: slice, chop, trim. Sentence: be careful not to cut yourself while chopping vegetables. Evening, meaning the period of time at the end of the day, usually from about 6 p.m. to bedtime. Synonyms: night, dusk, twilight. Sentence: they went for a walk in the park every evening. Point, meaning a particular spot, place, or position in an area or on a map, object, or surface. Synonyms: spot, dot, location. Sentence: he pointed to the map to show the exact location of the hotel. Composition, meaning the nature of something's ingredients or constituents. the way in which a whole or mixture is made up. Synonyms: makeup, constitution, arrangement. Sentence: the chemical composition of water is H2O. Practitioner. Meaning: a person actively engaged in an art, discipline, or profession, especially medicine. Synonyms: professional, expert, specialist. Sentence: she is a skilled practitioner in the field of holistic medicine. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.